wheelchairtraveling.com presents the Snow Canyon State Park. Located in southern Utah, USA, near Zion National Park. Every parking lot does not have a designated accessible spot. Accessible flush toilets are more common. Picnic tables were on smooth asphalt, but no extended ends were found. The one-way West Canyon Road Trail is made up of dirt and crushed rock. It's extra wide and runs about 2 miles. The Whiptail Trail is asphalt and travels one way for a few miles. Come experience the beautiful ancient lava flow and red Navajo sandstone at Snow Canyon State Park. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. And visit wheelchairtraveling.com.